In this video, you will learn how to use video progression for your modules and lessons. First, go into your specified module or lesson, then go into settings. Then you need to activate video progression and paste in your link here. When you then update this, this will then look like this with your video at the top. So the user needs to see the entire video before they can move on in the course. But if you want to change the position of this video, if you want the video to be, for example, beneath the text, you can use a shortcode in the editor. So then you go back to the editor, you go back to the lesson page, and then you find the position you want the video to display in. You add this shortcode, which is also attached in the help desk article. You update. As you can see here, when we refresh, the video will then be beneath. So that's how you use video progression.